Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cortex, your go-to channel for everything crypto made simple. Today on Crypto Cortex, we're diving into one of the most common questions we get. How do you buy Bitcoin in 2025? If you're new to Bitcoin or just want to refresh, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Step by step, let's jump in. Step 1. Get yourself a wallet. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you need a safe place to store it. This is called a Bitcoin wallet. Think of it like a digital bank account. It's where your Bitcoin lives. Now, depending on how much Bitcoin you're planning to buy, small amount, use a mobile or desktop wallet. Big investment, use a hardware wallet like Ledger, Trezor, or similar for ultimate security. Your wallet will give you a Bitcoin address. This is like your personal crypto email for receiving Bitcoin. Set up your wallet now and copy that address. You're going to need it in just a bit. Step 2. How much should you buy? Next up, how much should you invest? Quick reality check. Bitcoin is still a volatile asset. Prices can shoot up or crash down, sometimes in the same week. Here's the golden rule we follow at Crypto Cortex. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Ideally, no more than 5% of your disposable income. And don't worry, you don't have to buy a full Bitcoin currently worth over $50,000. You can start with $10, $50, or whatever you're comfortable with. Remember, Bitcoin can be divided into tiny pieces called satoshis. Step 3. Pick an exchange. Now, it's time to find a place to actually buy Bitcoin. Here's what you need to look for when choosing an exchange. Available in your country. Accepts your favorite payment method like bank transfer, debit card, or PayPal. Low fees, good reputation. Some beginner-friendly options include Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Or, if you want an advanced trading platform, check out Binance or Bybit. Need a shortcut? Check out our recommended exchanges in the link below this video. Step 4. Register and verify your identity. Once you pick your exchange, you'll need to create an account. Thanks to global crypto regulations in 2025, most exchanges require KYC Know Your Customer verification. You'll probably need to upload a government-issued ID, proof of address, sometimes even a proof of income. Yeah, it's a little annoying, but it's now standard everywhere. Step 5. Time to buy Bitcoin. After you're verified, you're ready to buy. Choose how much Bitcoin you want. Pick your payment method. Confirm the purchase. Boom, you now own Bitcoin. But wait, you're not done yet. Step 6. Withdraw your Bitcoin. Do not leave your Bitcoin sitting on the exchange. Not your keys equals not your coins. Exchanges get hacked. They go bankrupt. Just in 2024, we saw two major exchanges collapse. So, immediately withdraw your Bitcoin to the wallet you set up earlier. That way, you control your Bitcoin, no one else. Bonus: other ways to buy Bitcoin. Besides exchanges, here are a few other ways you can buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin ATM is: insert cash, scan your wallet QR code, and get Bitcoin instantly. Watch out for high fees. Peer-to-peer P2P marketplaces: buy directly from sellers. Use escrow services to stay safe. Financial apps: some apps like Cash App, PayPal, or Revolut offer Bitcoin purchases. Final tips from Crypto Cortex. Here's your final Crypto Cortex checklist. Double-check your wallet address before sending money. Start small. Learn the ropes first. Always withdraw Bitcoin to your private wallet. Keep learning. Bitcoin keeps evolving. And that's it. You're officially ready to buy Bitcoin in 2025. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Cortex, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our future crypto guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We reply to as many as we can. Until next time, stay curious, stay cautious, and stay crypto.